All right, hey everyone, I just wanted to come on here and say Merry Christmas, and I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite things I got for Christmas. Most of them, as you can see, are Hello Kitty, so make sure you stick around and see what I got for Christmas, and also show me some pictures in the comments of what you guys got for Christmas. It is actually really hot in Texas, so I'm trying to get into the spirit of Christmas because it was cold like last week and now we're like in the 70s. So let's go ahead and get started. I didn't get this for Christmas, but Funko Pop themselves sent me this. And how cute is this? It's the Christmas Hello Kitty Funko Pop. Can you guys see it? This is so cute, and she's just out hanging out. Look at the back. So cute. I got these cute pajamas from my mom. So cute. I had to put them on today because why not? All right, so a few more things that I got for Christmas. Yes, at my big grown age, I still get stuff for Christmas because I am loved, and I love that for me. My mom got me this set. It comes with some pajama shorts and a cup. This is so cute. Love that. This is from my sister. This is a Hello Kitty glass cup. So cute. These are also from my sister. These are so cute. Rice noodle cups. So I can't wait to make these. These are so cute. I love the packaging. There's the back. So cute. This is also from my sister. Some Hello Kitty glass cups. So cute. I'm sure I probably will never use them. I'll probably just leave them for decor. I might, but they're just so cute. Okay, then I have two coffee mugs. One's from my student. I think this one is from my student. This is so cute. I love me a good mug, and it goes in my nails, so that's so cute. And then I bought myself this one from Burlington. I love cute mugs, you guys. I don't care if it's for Christmas. I would use this year round. But I'm just starting my collection because I threw a lot of my cups away when I moved. And then my mom bought me this coffee mug warmer set that I can put on my desk. And it's gonna keep my coffee warm or my hot chocolate. And I'm excited because every time I have a cup of coffee in my classroom, it literally turns cold because I'm talking so much and I don't have time to just drink it. So I have that. And then I got me some new Crocs with some Hello Kitty charms. So cute. One of my followers got me some Hello Kitty charms, and then I got some white Crocs for Christmas, so I just put the charms on my Crocs. Oh, my mom bought me this really cute Juicy Couture pink set. Oh, I love all things pink, you guys. I am so excited about this. All things pink, as you can see. And then my mom, she loves me so much. She got me this really cute Juicy Couture robe. Love it, love it. And then I got this little pink cherry bag charm to put on my bags. I did get a few bags for Christmas. I'm not showing everything I got. And I got an iPad, okay. And it's the pink case. Look at that. With the pen, okay, T3's gonna have to learn how to use all her stuff, but I'm gonna be editing my videos. So I got me an iPad, super excited about that. And the last thing that I'm gonna show you guys is I got me a custom Funko Pop. I didn't even know they could do it, but if you don't know, you should go check it out because I got this for Christmas. It has my first name. I don't like to go by my first name, so I'm not gonna show that. But it does have my actual first name on it. And it says you are one of one. And then the Funko Pop has a dumbbell and it has #1 teacher. And then we have the same glasses. And you guys, look at that. Isn't that so cute? You are one of one, period. So these are all the things that I got for Christmas. I hope you guys had a great Christmas doing whatever you do for Christmas. Show me some pictures in the comments of things you got. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.